the working of centrifugal compressor. We can see that there are two diagrams. This is the sectional view of centrifugal compressor and this is somewhat a 3D view of a centrifugal compressor. We can see that there are three parts of a centrifugal compressor. The inward part is the impeller, the outer part is the diffuser and the outward part is the casing of the centrifugal compressor. We can see that the inner part is known as the eye of an impeller. Hence, the air will enter axially parallel to the axis of the shaft in this way inside the eye of an impeller. Afterwards, it will try to move outwards, that means radially outwards due to the centrifugal action caused inside the impeller blades. After coming out of the impeller blades, the air will be achieving a change in high pressure, high velocity and high temperature, and while getting inside the diffuser, it will have the same components. The diffuser, which is shown over here, is only to have a change in direction. That means the diffuser will change the direction of the air, that is the working fluid, and it will increase the pressure but it will decrease the velocity due to the area which you can see it is having a diverging portion. Then the air will go outwards through the casing and it is let to flow outwards. The same can be explained here from the 3D view in a way that the air can be entered axially inside the eye of an impeller. After entering inside, the air will flow over the impeller blades in this way. That means the air will be flown radially outwards. Now when it flows radially outwards, one very important phenomena is observed over here. If we consider the fluid element outside, we can see that the air flowing or the air element will first flow radially outwards, and the second type of motion it is having is centrifugal force. So two types of motion is there inside the air movement, air fluid movement. One is radially out and the other is the centrifugal force. So due to these two types of movement, the pressure increases, and with the pressure the velocity also increases. This happens in impeller. If we see outside the impeller, there is a diffuser casing. As already said, the diffusers are there only to change the direction of flow and no energy is imparted inside the diffuser. Hence, inside the diffuser, as the air flows further, the pressure increases even more due to change in the area is diverging, and since the pressure increases, the velocity decreases. So this happens in diffuser. I repeat, the pressure increases in the diffuser due to the diverging section and the velocity decreases. Hence, the main aim of the centrifugal compressor, that is to increase the static pressure, is achieved.